Have you ever been in the middle of something and suddenly remember you had something you were supposed to do? You find out it has to be done by the end of the day tomorrow? Well, in this example, two things are going to happen. You are either going to rush to get it done or not quite make it. With the re-engagement tool, you can set up Moodle to send out email reminders to your students to remind them of activities that will be due. Let me show you how this works. Let's say I have a big assignment that opens for students on June 22nd and is due by July 20th. With editing on, click Add Activity or Resource. Choose the re-engagement activity. Name this re-engagement activity and select Email User After Delay. Set the email delay to 2 weeks. You may also set the reminder to remind students several times before the period of time. If the time is less than 24 hours, you are limited to 2 reminders. If you are less than 5 days, you have a limit of 10 reminders. Less than 15 days is a limit of 26 reminders, and over 15 days, there's a maximum limit of 40 reminders. We will enter our subject for our email and the email content. You can make the email more personal by adding any of these expressions in the email. You then can check the checkbox to suppress the email if a student has already completed the targeted activity. We then need to choose the target activity, which in this course is your big assignment. Scroll down to find Restrict Access and click the name to open the options. Choose Add Restriction, then select Date. Here you will choose Until from the first drop-down box and then enter the date in which your big assignment opens. So this is what is happening. Our big assignment opens on June 22nd and is due July 20th. We want to remind students of the assignment 2 weeks before the due date. The re-engagement tool is set to send an email 2 weeks after June 22nd, which is July 6th. You can add the re-engagement activity anywhere in your Moodle course where you want to schedule a reminder for students. This is another tool to help you stay connected with your students and keep them engaged.